Don't throw your jeans away. Fix them like a pro. This jeans was about to be thrown away. But wait, watch this transformation. A torn crotch area is not the end of your jeans. Today I'll show you a pro invisible repair technique. First, we inspect the damage carefully. Weak fabric, holes, and worn-out fibers. We trim only the damaged threads, not the good fabric. Precision is everything here. Now we choose a matching denim patch. Same tone equals invisible repair result. Fixing the patch from the inside. Strong stitches for long-lasting durability. Watch closely. The reinforcement stitching begins. This is where strength meets precision. Layer by layer, we rebuild the damaged area, like it never happened. Now blending the texture with careful stitching patterns. The secret to invisible repair. Almost done. Can you even spot the repair? This is professional level restoration. From torn to flawless, this jeans got a second life. Never throw your jeans away again. Save money. Save style. Repair like a pro. If you've ever thrown jeans away because of a tear, stop doing that right now. Because what you just watched is not magic. It's a skill you can learn. And I'll show you more professional sewing tricks like this. So, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe for more sewing transformations. And turn on the bell so you never miss a new repair technique. Let's bring old clothes back to life, together.